YouTube channel. I'm being like Ryan, but he's my favorite character, and also he's a cool guy. You see this cool ramp? It's a ramp.
Okay.
You go here, you ramp, and you go. This one is the fastest. It goes round and round and round and round. It goes round.
Isn't it a racetrack?
Yes, it is a racetrack.
It's Hotwheels, right?
It's not a racetrack. It's a toy racetrack.
Okay.
And those things are controlled to control these. Also, I have controller. They are video games one. We play them in our TV.
Okay.
And we also gotta open this.
So how many cars are there in it?
2. There's only 2.
Okay, which are there?
There's this car.
Okay, what?
Also, this car also have this. They're all look.
Yeah, that's what connects it to the track. That's okay, don't worry.
Yeah, it's
Where's
okay.
the other car?
This is the car where it goes speedy.
Oh, okay.
And these are make it this room fast.
Okay, keep them aside.
Oh, I keep it the wrong way.
Okay, that's all right. So are we going to open it now?
Yeah.
Okay. So where did you get it from?
From Matza.
Who is?
Who?
Who is Acha?
You. You're a camera person. And we
Okay.
gotta open this thing
Okay,
up.
let's open.
Okay. Cool. Look here, this is the same car.
Yes, there are 2 more cars. Right?
What's that? There is the controllers. Can we hold them up?
Yes.
Cool. Oh yeah. Let's.
Okay, so how will you do that?
You got to put them together.
Okay, how will you do that? Do you have instructions?
I couldn't see some buttons.
Paper landal.
There's some papers. This is buttons. This is the buttons. Different pieces. Let's start bleeding.
Okay. Adu?
Can we start to race now? Yeah? And orange here, a little bit more purple there, and gray there, the orange there, the orange there, and black there, and
You got 2 cars there?
Yeah.
So what do you do? Do you race with them?
Yeah, we race. If you go right there, you win. And we go start with win and play.
Okay, so what is this? Can you tell me what this is?
This is this.
Is it number of laps?
No. It's a thing. When we do like this,
When
we
the,
do like that.
when the car moves through this, the number changes, right?
Yeah.
So it counts the number of laps the car has gone on, right?
Yeah. And
Okay.
also when this one wins.
So how do you power it up?
We press
Mm-hmm.
this to make it move.
Okay, so what power does it use? Do you put batteries on?
Yeah.
So where do you put them?
We put them in car. No, I mean in controllers.
Okay, for the controller. So how does the car get the power?
No, it don't have power. No, it's snug and and it gets
Can you show me?
charged up. Yeah, it's right there. Look. Here is it.
Okay, so you don't have to put any batteries on the car?
Nuh-uh. It's too cool.
Okay.
That's why we put them in the
Okay.
controllers.
Okay.
Let's
Okay.
start a race.
Show me. Ah!
We can
Your car fell down, fell off. You gotta put it back. You gotta put it back where it
No.
started.
No.
Yes, that is how it's done.
Why I lose this? Why I keep losing? Let me try again.
Okay.
It didn't flip.
Mm-hmm.
I see.
You gotta go take it slow. അവിടെ ഉള്ളിലേക്ക് കൊണ്ടുവയ്ക്ക്.
Whoa!
Okay, put them back. Let's put them back and see. No. Put them back.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Back on here. Oh! It just went on. Here. Cool!
You gotta stop when you reach here. Okay.
Okay.